Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Belgium ang Japan 85-58. Panalo naman ng Nigeria kontra sa Canada 79-70. Tinambakan din ng USA ang Germany 87-68. Pinataob naman ng Australia ang France 79-72. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of August 5, 2024. Sa Group A, Spain 3 wins 0 loss qualified for quarterfinals. Serbia 2 wins 1 loss qualified for quarterfinals. China 1 win 2 losses. Puerto Rico 0 win 3 losses. Sa Group B naman, France 2 wins 1 loss qualified for quarterfinals. Australia 2 wins 1 loss qualified for quarterfinals. Nigeria 2 wins 1 loss qualified for quarterfinals. Canada 0 win 3 losses. Para naman sa Group C, USA 3 wins 0 loss qualified for quarterfinals. Germany 2 wins 1 loss qualified for quarterfinals. Belgium 1 win 2 losses qualified for quarterfinals. Japan 0 win 3 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang knockout stage bracket para sa quarterfinals ng Olympics Women's Basketball. Makakaharap ng Serbia ang Australia, Team USA kontra sa Nigeria, Spain kontra sa Belgium, Germany kontra sa France. Heto ang quarterfinals game schedule ngayong August 7, 2024. Maghaharap ang Serbia at Australia alas 5 ng hapon Philippine time. Maglalaban naman ang Spain at Belgium alas 8:30 ng gabi. At sa August 8, 2024, magtutos ang Germany at France alas 12 ng madaling araw Philippine time. Maglalaban naman ang Nigeria at Team USA alas 3:30 ng madaling araw Philippine time. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.